strainer, no way. One pot pasta, it's no big deal. See? Easy. This is OPP, baby. One pot pasta. You take your ground beef. As it browns, you're gonna add water. You're gonna add 1 jar of spaghetti sauce. And then you're gonna take your McCormick spices. So we've got oregano, garlic, basil, and red pepper. You're gonna mix that up. Once that's all emulsified and mixed, add your pasta. Short noodle is best, so rigatoni, ziti, or chedi. Nothing long, no fettuccine, no bucatini, something short. This is gonna be on a medium-high heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're gonna add a little mozzarella, a little Parmesan, and a lot of forks. And this is what you get. Buon appetito.